Hey everyone, Martin here. There are so many places to go in SAP. How can we make it easier to navigate our daily tasks? With so many options, how can we drive focus on the transactions we use every day and not forget the ones that we use a little less frequently? Today, we're going to talk about using favorites. And here with a few of our favorite tips is Jason. Now, fair warning, one of these tips may make you want hours of your life back. It's one of those you don't know what you don't know moments. It's okay. We're fixing it right now. Take it away, Jason.
We get asked all the time about how to set a new team member up for success in SAP, and there are a lot of different pieces to think through. For today's example, though, we're going to use favorites to help a new person mark the transactions as they learn their new processes. Now, there are options for how to do this, and we're going to demonstrate two of them today. The first is finding and adding a favorite. The second is how to download a list of favorites from an existing team member and upload them for the new person. Then we're going to talk a little bit about how to organize your favorites to make them follow the daily, weekly, and monthly cadence of activities easily. Let's dive in and take a look.
So as with most things SAP, there are about 37 different ways to add a favorite. Okay, maybe not that many, but there are several, and we'll go through most of them in this session. I'm going to start by adding from the menu path. So I'm going to expand this. I want to find create purchase orders. So I'm going to keep expanding down through the menus. Then I'm going to get to create. So there's my transaction code MV21N. I'm going to click on that, single click. And now I have a few options. I can right click and say add to favorites. I can use the menu path up here where it says favorites in the add, or the quickest way is probably just to click this button that says add to favorites with the star. So I do that, and as you can see, it pops this up into the favorites folder. That's option one, the little clunky. Option two is from within a transaction itself.